Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about intake breathing nasal stripe. You should buy this product or not, and what are the precautions you should take while purchasing this product. Okay, so in this video we will talk about several information about this product. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see this product comes in four sizes, like you can say extra large, large, medium and all. So if we talk about like this brand, this intake brand is a very popular brand, and they have approx like 7 years from now, and this brand is approx like you can say 7-year-old brand. Okay, and they have a specialty in this product, like you can say this is the product, and this is a very good, you can say like good brand in which is manufacturing this product like nasal stripe. Okay, but the costing you can see like $40 approx. The costing price is like $40, and you can see the same type of product is available on amazon.com, and you can see over here the costing is like approx, so you can say $35 and $40, $35, and the price range in between this price. So the better thing is like you should go with this product or not. Yes, you should purchase this product because this is a well reputed brand, and they have like good reputation in this market, and the brand is 100% legit, and this brand is a very popular brand, and you can see the costing is approx somewhere you can see like same to same. So you can go with this brand, there is no doubt, there is no problem. Yes, you can make a purchase without any doubt. So this is a 100% legit brand, and if we talk about like results, yes, you will definitely get benefits, and I have checked lots of videos on internet. All you can say like these kind of product give you really results. Okay, so if we talk about like you should buy or not, yes, you can make a purchase. If you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.